I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools and stabilizing the tricycle, safety glasses on clear space. Once done, flip the trike gently onto its side or mount it in a stand so the wheel is accessible. This prevents the frame from flexing. Next, use the correct size wrench to break the axle nut loose while you hold the wheel. You do this first because a loose nut lets you access retaining clips and prevents damage when you later slide the axle out. Once the axle nut is backed off, remove the cotter pin or retaining clip. Use pliers and keep parts in a tray so you don't lose them. Then, hold the wheel hub firmly and finish unthreading the axle nut. This prevents the wheel from dropping suddenly. Make sure to disengage the brake mechanism or loosen coaster brake components so they don't bind. Slowly slide the axle or axle bolt out while supporting the wheel. This exposes bearings, and the wheel will then separate from the fork or frame. Now pull the wheel straight out of the dropouts while keeping hands clear of pinch points. Inspect the axle, bearings, and grease for wear or grime. Replace damaged bearings or repack with fresh grease before reinstalling. This preserves smooth rotation. Reassemble in reverse. Insert axle, seat wheel, tighten nut to firm but not over tight, then reinstall retaining clip. If the axle is stuck, apply penetrating oil and weight. Then use gentle taps or controlled heat. Avoid hammering components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.